Are you ready to unlock the mystical powers of one of the most revered crystals? Amethyst, a stunning purple gemstone, is not just beautiful. It's a powerhouse of spiritual energy and healing properties. This captivating crystal has been celebrated for centuries for its ability to enhance spiritual awakening, provide protection, and cultivate a sense of peace. In today's journey, we will explore 10 incredible attributes of amethyst that can transform your life and elevate your spiritual practice. From grounding your energy to fostering inner peace, amethyst holds the keys to unlocking your highest potential. Let's jump into the wonderful world of amethyst. 10. Promotes spiritual awakening. At number 10, amethyst is renowned for promoting spiritual awakening. Its high vibrational energy stimulates the crown chakra, allowing you to connect with higher realms of consciousness. When you meditate with amethyst, you may experience profound insights, heightened intuition, and a deeper understanding of your life's purpose. Many people find that amethyst encourages clarity and focus during meditation, making it an essential tool for those seeking enlightenment. Amethyst serves as a bridge between the material and spiritual worlds, facilitating a connection that allows you to explore the depths of your soul. This connection can lead to transformative experiences that open your mind to new possibilities. It's like a gentle nudge from the universe, urging you to explore the depths of your soul and uncover hidden truths. If you're on a spiritual journey, incorporating amethyst into your practice can open doors you never knew existed. 9. Enhances intuition and psychic abilities. Coming in at number 9, amethyst enhances your intuition and psychic abilities. This crystal is often used by psychics and healers to sharpen their insight and connect with their intuition more deeply. It encourages you to trust your inner voice, guiding you in making decisions and understanding the energies around you. With its protective qualities, amethyst creates a safe space for intuitive work, allowing you to explore your psychic abilities without fear. Whether you're developing your intuition or tapping into psychic talents, amethyst is a supportive ally. Many individuals have reported experiencing heightened senses, increased dreams, and vivid imagery while working with this powerful stone. The clarity that comes from amethyst can help you discern the messages from the universe and enhance your decision-making abilities. 8. Provides protection against negative energy. At number 8, amethyst serves as a powerful protector against negative energy. This crystal acts as a shield, blocking harmful vibrations and psychic attacks. If you find yourself in environments that feel overwhelming or toxic, carrying amethyst can help you maintain your energetic boundaries. Many people place amethyst in their homes or workspaces to create a protective barrier, ensuring that negative energies don't infiltrate their personal space. Additionally, amethyst is known to transmute negative energy into positive, promoting a harmonious environment. When you feel surrounded by negativity, amethyst can provide a comforting presence that helps restore balance. This makes it an essential stone for those working in high-stress environments or dealing with difficult interpersonal dynamics. By keeping amethyst close, you create a protective aura that helps shield you from unwanted influences. 7. Cultivates inner peace and calm. Coming in at number 7, amethyst is celebrated for cultivating inner peace and calm. Its soothing energy can help alleviate stress and anxiety, allowing you to approach challenges with a clear mind. When you hold or meditate with amethyst, its gentle vibrations encourage relaxation and tranquility. This makes it an excellent crystal for bedtime rituals, as it can promote restful sleep and vivid dreams. For those dealing with overwhelming emotions, amethyst offers a sense of calm that helps you navigate difficult situations with grace. The stone's ability to soothe the mind and spirit allows you to find stillness in the chaos of life. Incorporating amethyst into your daily routine can significantly enhance your emotional well-being, making it easier to handle stress and maintain a positive outlook. 6. Aids in overcoming addictions. At number 6, Amethyst can be a powerful ally in overcoming addictions and unhealthy habits. Its calming energy helps to reduce cravings and provide mental clarity, making it easier to break free from destructive patterns. Many individuals find that keeping amethyst nearby during recovery efforts helps strengthen their resolve and keeps them grounded in their intentions. The crystal's protective qualities also create a supportive environment, allowing for personal growth and healing. Amethyst encourages self-reflection, helping you identify the root causes of your addiction and empowering you to make healthier choices. If you're seeking to overcome an addiction or simply make healthier lifestyle choices, consider using amethyst as a tool in your journey toward recovery. 5. Encourages self-awareness and reflection. Coming in at number 5, amethyst encourages self-awareness and reflection. This crystal inspires you to look within and assess your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It promotes honesty with yourself, helping you identify areas in your life that may need healing or improvement. Through self-reflection, you can uncover limiting beliefs and patterns that have been holding you back. Amethyst's energy encourages you to embrace change and personal growth, allowing you to evolve into the best version of yourself. This process of self-discovery can be transformative, leading you to new insights about your motivations and desires. Amethyst acts as a mirror, reflecting back the truth of who you are, so you can align your actions with your authentic self. If you're on a path of self-discovery, amethyst is an invaluable companion on your journey. 4. Facilitates spiritual growth. At number 4, amethyst is a catalyst for spiritual growth. Its energy encourages you to explore your spirituality, whether through meditation, yoga, or other practices. Many people find that amethyst enhances their connection to the divine, allowing for deeper communion during spiritual rituals. By opening the crown chakra, amethyst helps you access higher states of consciousness, making it easier to receive divine guidance and wisdom. As you engage with amethyst, you may feel a sense of alignment with your higher self, helping you navigate your spiritual journey with confidence and purpose. The stone supports your spiritual evolution, encouraging you to embrace new perspectives and experiences. If you're looking to deepen your spiritual practice, amethyst is a powerful ally that can guide you toward greater understanding and enlightenment. 3. Supports healing and health coming in. At number 3, amethyst is known for its supportive qualities in healing and health. Many crystal healers use amethyst to assist with physical ailments, particularly those related to the mind and emotions. Its calming energy can alleviate headaches, reduce stress, and support restful sleep. Additionally, amethyst is believed to strengthen the immune system and detoxify the body. For those dealing with emotional trauma, amethyst can provide a sense of comfort and healing, promoting emotional balance and resilience. Its ability to soothe anxiety and stress makes it an essential tool in holistic healing practices. Incorporating amethyst into your self-care routine can enhance your overall well-being, helping you to feel more grounded and centered in your daily life. 2. Facilitates connection to higher realms. At number 2, amethyst facilitates a connection to higher realms and spiritual guides. This crystal is often used in spiritual practices to enhance communication with angels, spirit guides, and other celestial beings. When meditating with amethyst, you may receive messages, insights, or guidance from your higher self or spiritual allies. This connection can be incredibly empowering, providing clarity and support as you navigate life's challenges. Amethyst's high vibrational energy opens pathways to spiritual realms, allowing for a deeper understanding of your place in the universe. If you're seeking guidance or support from the divine, amethyst is an excellent stone to work with. Its ability to bridge the gap between the physical and spiritual worlds makes it a vital tool for anyone on a spiritual path. 1. Ignites a sense of purpose and passion. And finally, at number 1, amethyst ignites a sense of purpose and passion. This crystal encourages you to pursue your dreams and aspirations wholeheartedly. Its energy inspires creativity and motivation, helping you to identify what truly resonates with your soul. When you wear or carry amethyst, you may find yourself more driven to take action and manifest your desires. The stone acts as a reminder of your unique gifts and the importance of sharing them with the world. Whether you're embarking on a new project or seeking to reignite your passion for an existing one, amethyst can be a guiding force in your journey toward fulfillment. With amethyst by your side, you'll feel empowered to chase your dreams and create a life that reflects your true self. In conclusion, amethyst is a remarkable crystal that offers a multitude of benefits for those seeking spiritual awakening, protection, and peace. Its unique properties make it an essential tool for anyone on a spiritual journey. By incorporating amethyst into your life, you can experience profound transformation, emotional healing, and a deeper connection to your higher self. So, which of these incredible attributes of amethyst resonates with you the most? Have you experienced the magic of amethyst in your own life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on crystals, spirituality, and personal growth. Your journey is just beginning, and amethyst is here to support you every step of the way.